Our Father in heaven, holy be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us today our daily bread. Forgive us our sins as we forgive those who sin against us. And do not bring us to the test, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Every right to choose your own leader. Okay, ultimately it is God's blessing on the leaders, on each one of you, to elect the correct leader. Clear, children? All of you just pray and then decide for yourself. God, give me the discernment to choose the correct leader suitable for our school. Okay, ma'am? Now we have the group leaders here. The school pupil leaders will be coming and talking to you.
And all my dear friends, good morning to one and all. I am S. Astrika of class 9C, contesting as the school people leader of St. Pius 10th High School. And I am M. Ashmita Patel of class 9th studying in St. Pius 10th High School. I am very grateful to the sisters and teachers for giving me this opportunity. Discipline, sincerity and kindness are three main pillars of a leadership. I believe this and strive hard for these qualities to become a successful cabinet leader. I promise that I'll work hard to reach our expectations and bring laurels to our school. Dedication, determination and hard work are my main assets. Hence I want to become a cabinet member. I am very much grateful to our respected principal and all my dear teachers for giving me this opportunity to be a part in this present cabinet elections in the academic year 2022 to 23. I am very much grateful to my dear teachers also. If you think I am eligible, please cast your precious vote in my favor. Thank you.
teachers, and all my dear friends. Good morning. I am Y. Abhinav Reddy of class 9C and I have been selected as the assistant school pupil leader for our St. Pius 10th High School. I take a pledge that I will take all my responsibilities. I will always follow my duties with diligence. I thank all my teachers and our respected principal for giving me this opportunity. I promise to stand up to the expectations. Thank you very much.
I, El Simon Gray of 9th B, is contesting for the post of Roses captain of St. Pius 10th High School. If I become captain, I promise I'll inspire and encourage my peers to take part in various literacy and co-curricular activities. I'll also make sure that the parents of our school fly high in all the aspects regarding to school. I'll also make sure that the school alma mater rises up with great integrity. If you think I'm eligible for this, please cast your valuable and precious words to me. Thank you. Teachers and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. I, Virani Prashant, studying in 9th C. I thank our teachers and our principal for giving me this precious opportunity to cast for the Roses Group captain in our school cabinet elections. If I am elected, I will fulfill all my duties with integrity. I promise to keep up everyone's expectations. Thank you. If you think that I am eligible for this post, kindly cast your precious votes. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear friends, arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached. I am J. Manaswini of class 9D, contesting for the post of sports captain of St. Pius 10th High School. If I am elected as sports captain, I will leave no stone unturned to bring glory and laurels to the school. If I am elected as sports captain, I will make my fellow students develop their etiquette and I will raise our school banners high. I thank Reverend Sister T. Usha Rani and teachers for giving me this wonderful opportunity to contest for the post of sports captain. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. I am M. Narsima from 9E. Well, as an assistant sports captain, I will leave no stones unturned and bring glory and laurels to our school. I will actively participate and encourage all our students to take part in the competitions. Thank you.
Teachers and my dear friends, I am Zaveri Anoshin of class 9th H contesting for the post of sports captain. I promise to dedicate myself in the service of the school and try to bring many laurels in sports. If you think I am eligible for this post, please cast your valuable votes to me. Thank you.
Harshita 9th E, Harshita 9th E, Srinidhi 9th F, Srinidhi 9th F, Virini Prashant 9th C, Maya Nas, Sai Nandini, Ritika, Harshita, Srinidhi, Rini Prashant. Now they will address you.
Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, and my dear friends. I am Mahia Nas from 9th A contesting for the post of Roses captain. If you think I am eligible for this post, please cast your precious and valuable votes for me. Thank you.
Or a designation. It's about inspiration, impact, and influence. A very good morning to one and all. I, Ritika, of class 9 standing before you to contest for the post of Roses captain. If I get elected, I make sure I will be a good captain of our Roses group. I make sure that I will meet my group members to participate in various competitions conducted by our school. I am well managed and an unreachable student. If your vote for me is a vote for chance, your vote for me is a vote for teamwork, your vote for me is a vote for group performance. So friends, please cast your valuable vote for me and I promise to serve my group with all my dedication, discipline and sincerity. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all.
I am S. Sarayu of 9th B contesting for the post of sports captain. If you all elect me, I will encourage each one of you to participate in all the sports activities, and I promise you all that I will work hard with the best of my capability and ability and bring many laurels to our institution. So, if you think I am eligible for the sports captain, kindly cast your vote in my favor. I thank our respected sister and teacher for giving me this wonderful opportunity as a great privilege. Thank you.
Teachers and all my dear friends, I, Harshita from 9th contesting for Roses Captain. If I am allowed to be as Roses Captain, I promise to discharge all my duties with sincerity and dedication. If I am eligible, please cast your valuable vote for me. Thank you.
Morning to one and all. I, Krishnidhi of class 9th,